Give Daddy kiss.
Alright, so what do you want to do?
Up to you.
Hey, by the way, that guy just killed that guy at cooldown, by the way.
Oh my god.
Oh,
care
alright,
enough.
yeah.
I kinda wanna watch this.
I'm about to arrest him for sex. Like, isn't this like... This is against the law. This is public property.
236, show me on a 1011 with a chrome and colored Porsche. Can I go ahead and get 2 additionals at this time?
Alright,
It's going to be 948 Panorama Drive.
Partner, what do you want to do? Partner, what do you want to do? Partner, what do you want to do?
I can't keep it serious.
36. Can I get an additional to 948 eastbound Panorama Drive?
Alright, man, have you run the plate and the names?
Alright, I'll run the plate. Just can you just keep an eye on them, please?
Yep.
Give Daddy kiss.
I'll keep an eye
249, I believe. All units
Oh,
are
I like
occupied at
that
this point in
one.
time.
I'm gonna swing my
Well,
balls
that's
down your throat.
No, I'm leaving, dog. Bullshit.
I don't get paid enough for this.
Daddy gets back in the
those
car.
rooms on that taxi. That's a nice.
Bro, I'm gonna get every staff here just to see this shit.
Thank God they stopped. We're good. Let me just get ready to split.
Don't jinx it.
Yeah, these are the guys just wonderful.
Give Daddy one kiss on the cheek.
Yo, alright, we're gonna have to detain these guys. Yeah. Alright, excuse me,
Oh,
sir,
yes, man,
sir,
yes.
no, partner, can I have over here, please? Can I see? I'll step outside, please.
Yes. Oh no, I have situation in under the pants.
Yo,
There's a boy.
sir, can you just step out, please? Just don't get close to me, sir.
Oh, please.
My balls are out. Hold on.
Whoa, wait, what? Okay, alright,
I got to have some sort of stress balls.
Alright, yep. Oh,
Okay, there you go.
alright. You still have a little situation, sir.
Let's. Oh, my bad, man.
Can you just sit on the floor? Please just sit on the floor. I don't want to have to. Just sit on the floor, please.
Okay.
Whoa, alright.
How do I put it in? How do I put it in?
Okay, alright, no. Okay. I let it go for a second just because it's hilarious and you guys are doing fun with it, but if it's gonna cut into this, I'm just gonna say no. I have staff here because I wanted to witness this, but if you're gonna go this far, I'm gonna have to stop it, dog. It was funny at first,
Okay.
and I was allowing
Okay,
it because it was funny, but you cannot do that whatsoever.
236, can I get a cage
Like, I don't have a
Daddy
problem
kiss
with it
goodbye.
right
I'm
now.
going to jail.
No, both of you guys.
Give Daddy kiss goodbye. I'm going to jail.
Aw.
User left your channel.
I really got kicked from the TeamSpeak.
Okay, there you go.
because you probably AFK. Just run back. Just get back in your vehicle. Just get back. What the?
Get back in.
Yeah,
Get
just
back
get
in.
back in your vehicle, sir. What's?
Okay, man.
Partner, can you? Partner, I'm gonna get my notepad real quick. Hold up.
So is Big Daddy.
User joined your channel.
236, can I get a cage
Officer,
unit
do you want to
postal
see me
9 4?
Oh, I'm
8.
fine, thank you.
User joined
Get
your
back in the
channel.
vehicle. Get back in the vehicle.
Can you please get
Please.
back
You
in the
like
vehicle?
my guy?
Please,
Can
can
you
you
please get back in the
please
video?
get
Hey,
back
for
in the
once,
video? You just say that.
No,
Can you please
no
just
parties.
step back in the vehicle, please?
Oh, I like
Oh!
that dance. Why did I die?
The
Why
kid's
did
right
I
across
die?
the street just killed him.
Shot him with it.
This
Oh,
guy,
oh.
right? It's unavailable, and this guy got me in prison. He jumped me. I said I'm going to get you, and then I literally waited here for the past 5 minutes for the cooldown to come, and then I shot him.
So you just shot him just because?
I was beefing with this guy. He beat me up in prison.
You could have RP'd it out. At least came up to him and be like, "Yo, you remember me?" That would have been much better instead of just
And then like shot him, and then I would have been fine.
What, when
You
this-
just walked up, shot him, and then got back in.
What, when this-
I
when
was
this
gonna ban you.
But there's police officers stood right there. If I went up and pulled the gun out, I get shot straight in the face. I couldn't do it. If it was just him, I would have done it. But I said I was going to get him, and that's what I did. and it.
He's probably just typing up the band information right now.
Bro. For what?
Honestly, with that bullshit we're playing this, I don't know, dog.
Bro, that's RP. I said to this guy that I was gonna get him, so I did. I couldn't just walk up when the
Bro,
police
how's
officers
the
there.
robbery? Bro, can you tell them to chill out with the bank robberies you
They
just
shit.
had?
Hold on. I'll be like right back. Honestly, I kind of want to let them roleplay a little bit out because this shit's hilarious. You haven't seen
What
we've
the heck
seen.
is happening behind us?
Alright, whoa, what is going on? Whoa! Oh, don't touch me there,
Let
please.
me talk to him. Oh, let me talk.
Go
Oh,
for the
my
cuff. Go for the
goodness.
cuff,
Daddy.
please. Go for the cuff, please. Go for the cuff, please. Please go and clear the cuff. Please go for the go. I'll go for the cuff. Just keep your taser on him, please. Do not run. I mean, if you guys want to do it,
Don't make me get naked.
if you guys want to
Don't make me get naked.
Whoa. Ma'am, I'm
What
sir.
is my
Sir, as
boyfriend
right,
do?
sir, as a
Let me
whoa,
give him
whoa,
kiss
yo,
goodbye.
yo,
Let me give him kiss
take,
goodbye.
taste, yo,
Let me give him
taste.
kiss. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Don't worry,
Let-
alright, you're gonna
You hit my right testicle.
Oh my god.
We need to put him in cuffs as well.
My testicle.
Do you want me to put him in cuffs?
Pull the prongs out, please, please. What did I do? I did not do anything.
Alright, man, chill.
Slash ECPs.
Oh. Oh,
Oh
I'm
my
okay.
God.
Daddy has issues. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Oh, no. Oh, that hurt. Oh, my boyfriend break his back. Look at my boyfriend. Look at his back. What did we do wrong, officer?
Bruh.
What did I do wrong?
Bruh, get off!
Do not touch my butt. I have a boyfriend.
Bruh.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, I
Don't
love being
start.
inside of you.
Okay.
I am so satisfied. Oh no.
Want me to search him?
This guy can't get out. Yeah, search that guy.
Oh, okay. Hold on.
Sorry, I have chlamydia.
Daddy, can I get one last kiss?
Oh!
I'm actually scared to look in the car, bro.
Mwah.
Come
Oh,
on,
he's
Daddy,
right.
follow me.
Alright, man. Hold on. Let me search really quick.
Why do I get to go to jail?
And you can't be running within 10 feet of. Oh, okay. Let's go fuck myself. Oh, never mind. Okay, good job, Teo.
Oh, I love
thank
it when you touch me like that.
Whoa! No, I do not love it when I do not love it when I touch you
I'm
like
not
that.
even gonna say shit.
I do not love
I'm
it.
just gonna no clip away.
I do not like touching it like that, okay? Please thank you.
If I find something that's been stuck, I don't wanna know, then. Oh my god. Alright, man.
This is Union 1. Can I get an
Oh,
additional
do not
32
worry.
down to South Route 68, postal 940, please?
$502 en route.
For him. For the
10-4.
person I've got right now.
Alright, we're gonna get another unit because I'm not keeping these two
Alright.
guys.
No. Let me ride in daddy.
No,
Let me
no,
ride in daddy
no,
car. Let me ride in daddy car.
No.
Let me ride in daddy car.
No.
No, please.
Supplies.
I'm actually scared to search
We
the
don't
car,
want
but-
stuff happening in the back.
Let me give him one good kiss
No.
goodbye.
Just let them.
You can
Just
say-
let them get
you
one
goodbye,
more.
but
Goodbye,
that's it.
daddy. I will always love you.
Just
okay,
let them
that's
get
it.
one more, bro. Just let them get one.
Oh.
You sexy beast.
Save his crash.
Partner, just let them get one more.
Get one more.
Mwah. Mwah.
Get one more.
Goodbye, daddy.
502 code 0.
I hope you can be right back to rubbing my back very soon. Very soon.
What the,
Oh, I think
I
I've code
miss
zeroed.
you.
bro? Game restarted.
Is there everyone have connection interrupted?
Yes.
Alright,
Yes, sir.
I
if
have
you guys want to go to
connection
continue this room.
interrupted.
You guys want to okay, please stop. Alright, if you guys want to continue this roleplay, go ahead and come back, I'll allow it. But just watch the fucking sexual roleplay, dog. I'm scarred.
Okay.
This is some bullshit.
Let me give you a kiss goodbye.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
I will be
Your tongue
back. I will
farted on
be
my
back.
phone.
Why did this get into this?
Yo, what the? I'm gonna FA quit now.
Yeah, I'm a FA quit, bro. Yo, come back at round 6. Come back 940 to continue this. Oh no!
Oh, okay, I'm going. Bye.
Oh my god.